She's just on time. Dad. Hi. Have you found the key or anything? No. Or the shelter? Okay. We have to find that shelter. But, okay, I'll look for the shelter, you look for the key.
Okay.
Oh, the tornado is right there. So you see guys, that's the tornado. Wait, this who? It's twin tornadoes. It's twin tornadoes. Don't die. You can't die. Well, I'm really gonna die. The tornadoes are coming out. 3 tornadoes. There's 3 tornadoes. It's the F0 and the F2. That it's a F4. Remember when we watched Twisted? Remember the highest one is the F5? Remember? We have the F4. You survived 375 coins. How many coins did you get? 37. Nice, me too. Wow! Wait, where are you? Dad, I see you. See the person who's behind you jumping? So, did you find anything? Let's jump. Okay.